So right now we have the blink LED on. So this blinks when a pulse is detected. We have the NEOPIXEL, which is connected to a PWM pin 6, and then we have two sensors going on. So on analog 0 we have the pulse sensor, and then on analog 1 we have the PHOTOCELL. So I'm not sure if this is going to work. Yeah, I'm not sure if this entire circuit is gonna work actually. I've tried it without the PHOTOCELL and the resistor here, so that this whole like light sensor circuitry here was gone, and I uploaded the Arduino code, and it worked properly. The pulse, the LEDs were working. However, I'm not sure if I can code this properly, where the PHOTOCELL, if the PHOTOCELL can detect light, then calculate the pulse and light up the ring according to the pulse. So the PHOTOCELL seems to be working. Okay, so whenever I put a flash on, the analog read would increase. The only problem is that so I believe there's a delay going on in my code, which is probably coming from the ADAFRUIT NEOPIXEL ring, because there's a wait time at some point in the color wipe. And strangely enough, so my first issue here is that my BPM is always high, like hella high. Like, this is not what my my pulse is right now. It is not pulsing properly. My second issue is that this ring only lights up once, and it lights up blue because, well, that's the highest, and I'm stuck with like a very high BPM right now. The only thing working for me right now is the PHOTOCELL. So I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah. So I guess it was indeed the delay on the color wipe from the ADAFRUIT NEOPIXEL that was making everything like go wrong. So I commented it out. My pulse is reading properly, and also the values are normal. My BPM is around 90. The analog read for the PHOTOCELL is around 100 and something, and my light is properly changing color, so that's cool. Yay! Alright, so the issue I'm currently having right now is that the NEOPIXEL ring is working sort of properly in a way. Only if the PHOTOCELL is triggered, then it will properly display the pulse and then properly display the NEOPIXEL light. However, if there's no light coming on to the PHOTOCELL, there's nothing to do about it. It's not gonna properly display the pulse, and it's not properly gonna display the light. Actually, it's just gonna like freeze on the light. And even when I'm trying to just like turn it off, so it should turn off when the analog read is below 300, but even when it is below, right now it's at 80, it's still lighting up. So I'm not sure where I'm going wrong in the code right now. So it seems that in my code I forgot to do show, which simply turns off the NEOPIXEL ring. So right now all of the values are properly displayed. My BMP, yes, I have a low blood pressure, so it's kind of normal. The LED light is blinking properly, and the analog read is fairly normal, considering the fact that 0 to 30 is sort of in a dark setting. Now I have like few lights on, which is fine. Now let's see if I just shine this on my PHOTOCELL. Cool. So the analog read is about like 500, and my BMP is fluctuating between like 80 and above 90. So that's why it's shining either green or red. Oh no, now I'm getting like a bit higher. So I guess this is actually working. This is actually working. Holy crap! It looks like I'm just making a bomb or something.